Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time of being here, thank you for stopping by. And to everyone that has been watching me before, thank you for coming back. Thank you so much. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider to do so. And for all that are subscribed, that has been a support to this channel, God bless you. Thank you so much. And if it's your first time of being here, please hit the red button down below and be part of this family. Thank you so much. Yes, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a super chat in a live stream or in a premiere, how to support a channel with your substance. So come along with me as we roll. Yes guys, I am in a live stream and I want to make a super chat. You can see here we have a $sign here. This is a monetized channel, so we have a $sign here. So for me to make a super chat, I have to click that $sign. So I will go here with my cursor and click that $sign. When I click it, this is what appears. It says super sticker or super chat. So it's both the same thing, just that this one is already an animated image. You understand? It's you are amazing. This one is already, it has already printed words, messages on it. But if you go to the other one, maybe you don't want this super sticker, then you click it out. So I'm going back to click the the $sign again to try to let you see the second one, this other one, super chat, and you see the difference. You see this, you have to write something by yourself. You see, it's just the amount here, and you have to, it says here, your message, your amount and message will be public, so you are the one going to write here. So if you click here now, you see you can write anything here. That's, for instance, you have to say I love you. You can write it by yourself. This one you have to choose whatever message that you have to send to the hosts that you want to support with, or you say I'm here to support. You can write whatever thing you want to write and send it, and by the time you finish, you just say send. And you can also increase it from here or decrease it. If you take it this way, you should draw it this way here. If you draw it this way, it will increase. If you take it this way, it will go down, it will decrease. So let me use my cursor now. Look at my cursor. Can you see my cursor? When I take it to the right, it will increase. Can you see it? When I take it to the left, it will decrease. It depends on how much you want to give. So from €2 and above, you can see, you can even get to up to even 500. You can see it. Can you see it? That is it. So it depends on how much you want to give. You can reduce it, you can increase it. That's how the other one is. The sticker also. The sticker, you can go up and you can come down. It depends on how much you want to give. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below and subscribe to this channel. Till I see you again in my next one, it's bye for now.